Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be cooking meatless red pea soup, and I'll also be cooking some saltfish and dumpling, pumpkin and banana, and some other food in between. Since a part of my family does not appreciate soup, it has been a while since I've made a video on my pumpkins and how my pumpkins are growing. Well, they're full of weed right now because we've been getting rain and it needs to weed out. I can't use somebody with a machine to cut it. Don't want them to cut out my pumpkin, so I'm looking for a person who use cutlass, who can use his cutlass and go through and pull up what he's supposed to pull up. Anyhow, all this pumpkin on the screen are pumpkin from my garden, and this is 3 different types of pumpkin, 3 different vines. So come cook or come learn to cook red pea soup with me. So I have gone ahead and I pressured my red peas. You're going to use the amount of red peas you want based on the amount of soup you're cooking. You can use big jill, 1 pint, half pint. Them something that still work. We're using grams, right? I will add about 8 cups of water to the pot. Make sure if you're using a pressure pot, you do not put it over the maximum line mark the water, right? And I'm gonna pressure the peas because I'm not sure if this peas is soft, yes or no, and I want to go quickly. So I will pressure the peas along with some pimento seed and garlic. I will also add some salt to the pot. After which, after finish pressuring for 12 minutes, I will add another cup of water and not another cup, another 5 or 6 cups of water, and allow it to come to a boil. Then I will add the sweet potato, green bananas, Irish carrots, pumpkin, dasheen and cocoa. There is no yam in this soup, guys. After I have gone added all those ingredients, now I'm going in with my cornmeal dumpling, and I am making spinners. Yes, some small oblong shaped dumpling or oval shape, something like that. And my other pot with the saltfish and food cooking at the same time. After adding the dumplings and give the pot a stir, I will go ahead and add my cock soup. Whenever you add your cock soup, make sure you stir it because it will clump up or lump up one place if you don't stir it and mix it out. As you can see, the dumpling and saltfish and food has been cooked. Once I decide to cook soup, I have to decide to cook something else because, as I said before, some people in my family does not appreciate no form of soup. So look at the pumpkin, guys. Yes, that's my homegrown pumpkin. Isn't it beautiful? And the banana, that's my banana too. Yes. Girl turned big time farmer. I'm proud of myself. Give me a round of applause. So now it's time to go in with all the rest of the seasoning. So first I went in with the thyme and the green onions, or escallion, whatever you call it. Then I went in with my crushed chili pepper seeds. It should be scotch bonnet pepper at this point, but this will substitute very well. Next, I will add the complete body of seasoning. Then I will add Maggi all-purpose seasoning. If you know, you know. Yes, I add Maggi all-purpose seasoning to almost everything. Now I am down to the final ingredients, which is coconut milk. So I've gone ahead and blended my natural coconut. I do not use artificial coconut milk, powder milk, or tin milk. No, I try to keep it natural, and I do not add butter to my soup anymore, or margarine. Try to eliminate the grease. And this coconut is from my backyard also, so when I find them, I just get them cut, get them out of the ox, and keep them in the refrigerator until I'm ready to use them. I take them out and blend them. If you have made it this far into the video, please like, comment, share, and maybe turn on post notifications. After adding the coconut milk, I will give the pot a stir from top to bottom. Make sure nothing is sticking to the bottom of the pot. Then I allow it to cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Then I will dish it out into a bowl. And make sure you taste your pot. I did taste mine. Make sure it's tasty before I turn off the stove.